Hello and welcome. This is Indigo Studio, interior design and architecture firm, and we are going today is covering very important command in AutoCAD. Today we are going to cover offset command, explode, fillet, and chamfer. This is a very important command which we use in basically in drawings and when we are creating any objects or plans. So let's start now. So here, like you see, first we are going to cover the offset command. The shortcut key is offset command is O. So in your keyboard you type O. For example, this is a one line, and we are going to create a wall here, and your wall size may be 20 centimeter or 15 centimeter. So where we use in offset command, we have to create a line against the object in a particular distance. For example, like we are we type in keyboard O and enter. Then you see in the bottom side you will see the specified offset distance or edge layer or 20. So our line thickness is 20 centimeter. Like we type in a keyboard point to enter, then it is saying select the object to offset. So we are going to select this object. Now this is where we want to click. For example, if you will click this side, like your right side, so it will give the offset in your right side, and if you will click the object in the left side, it will give the offset in left side. So if you will click in the right side, see, this is object and created the same line, the exactly same line is created in a parallel line against this wall. So for example, if you select here this one and move the mouse in the left side and click here, so it will create the object here. So like we are going to create this is now we have to create the offset for this to create this wall. So again we have to select O, or we already in a command, so we have to just select enter, and we select enter. We have to select offset and give the line thickness 0.20 and select and enter. Now this is the extra part, we need to make it trim, or trim here and trim here. And now my room size is 4 meter. So mostly we use offset command. It's in a drawing, it is a very easy command to create a parallel or same line in a particular distance. So like we are going to create this room, like for example we are going to create this room 5 meter. So we give offset 5 meter, select this wall and click. So now this is create 5 meter, then double enter 0.2, this one, and this is created. Now we need to join this thing, so we have to use the fillet command, F, select this one and then F this one. Now my room width is 4.5 meter, offset 4.5, click, enter, then 0.20, this one. Now we need to join this thing, so we use mostly fillet command to fillet this one. So this is a very basic command for offset command, where we want to create a repetitions or repeated wall. And now we are going to open the door here, so give offset 1 meter door, click, and this one, and then use trim command to open. So this is a very easy command. You can create your plan with using offset very fast. And my next command is, guys, so we'll cover the extend command later on. First we cover the fillet command and chamfer command. So it's a very important command for fillet and chamfer. So guys, for example, if there is any corner, for example this is a corner and we want to give a smooth shape here, so fillet command come into this existence picture in this scenario. When we want to create here like a smooth circular edge, so for example for fillet command we can type F from your keyboard and enter. So now select the first object, then this is asking for polyline, radius, trim, multiple. So we have to select the radius. So we give the radius, like we click in keyboard R, we go in radius part R, and we have to put the radius 0.5, enter. Now we select one object, one line and second line. So see this the shape is going to be curve. So this is very important command, guys, where we can fillet the corners, and like if you want to fillet this one also, fillet, select this. It's a depend of your radius, how much radius do you want. You can make more larger, you can give the larger radius like 1 meter, 2 meters, so as your requirement. So it is automatically created. So guys, one more thing I need to cover here, because see, when we are going to fillet here, this wall thickness is larger and this is smaller, so we have to be in a same wall thickness. So we will give offset here 0.2. so now it is the same wall thickness come, see. So this is now the very sharp and very normal and smooth corners created. So other command is, guys, one more thing I need to cover in fillet, like if you have any corner like here and here, and we need to join this thing. So if you will join this thing in a corner, like you want a sharp corner or you want fillet. If you want sharp corner, you have to give command fillet, and then you have to remove the radius. Like if you will click fillet, or you will work like if you will select this one and this one, so it is create a corner, it's create a smooth edge. So we don't want a smooth edge, we want only corner. So we have to select F, enter, and then we have to remove the radius R, 0 and 0. Then we have to select this one, like it will create in a corner base. So we have to remove the radius from this part, we have to place the value 0. So and then it will come in previous like a corner basis. And the next thing we need to cover, guys, the chamfer commands. Chamfer command is to create like a angular line here to make a chamfer. So for chamfer command, we are using keyboard. The command is CHA, chamfer, enter. So in a chamfer, we will see here there is some help menus is come. So we have to choose here distance. For distance, how much distance you want from here and from here to make the chamfer. So we go to the D, enter, and we place the distance 1 meter, and it is asking for the second distance 1 meter. We select the one part and second part. Now this is the chamfer part is created. So it is, guys, very useful command when you are creating any architectural plan, any plan in AutoCAD. It's a useful command. So chamfer. So chamfer is creating angular lines to join the two corners like this. And guys, our next command is explode command. This is explode, and the keyboard shortcut is X. So for example, we have any object. For example, we have any object, like we have this door here, and we are going to be here. So guys, this is the door, and this is one single object here, but it is made by a very small chunk pieces or chunk object, a small object like this one. So and this is one object, and we are going to double click in this object. This is now, guys, this is the block. So block is like it will make a object in a single object. It is like if you are going to create a line, 1 line, 2 line, 3 lines. So this is a different objects like 1, 2, 3, and we want to make it this one complete object, like group this object. So we can use the block command B, and we give some name and open. So now this is come into a one object. So this is the one object, and in explode command we can explode this again in a previous positions. We use explode command, like if you select this object, press from your keyboard X and enter. Now guys, this is come into the previous things. So it is exploding the object, like this is one block, and we are going to explode these things, or and convert into a small pieces or small lines. So we can just select this one X from your keyboard and enter. Now see, this is a separate part, this is separate part, this is separate part, and this is a separate part. So guys, this is again is this part is like rectangular. We also can explode this one also, explode. Now this is, see, one line, others, one this line, others. This is separate part is explode. So explode is like breaking the object and into a small pieces. So guys, this is a 4 command which I covered today, and next time we are going to create our architectures or any architectures plan to use this command and to be expert on this particular command. So for today this is enough, and we will start next video. We'll see you in the next video. Okay, thank you so much, take care.